For us, it's the meetings that we have, the one-on-one. We were able to look through the list of meetings and give our priorities, and they did the same thing. And we ended up getting more than 12 meetings set up that way. So it was already predetermined. Our priorities were changing. So Draga and Marcus Evans worked with us in our priorities and meetings. And so I think the highlight of it for us as a small business was to have conversations in those meetings. So a different perspective on commercial aerospace. So being the NASA person for so long, very focused on the NASA world. And I was able to gain a perspective from different types of companies, small and large, on aerospace industry, what's important now, some of the new ideas, AI and digitization and things like that we only talk about. I was able to see how they were actually implementing those.